How to start your Netflix on laptop. Now, if you want to start your Netflix on laptop, you just simply need to open any of your web browser and search for Netflix in there. Then open the website of netflix.com, or you can also download the application itself, and then you will see the option of sign in the top right side. Tap into sign in button, and after you do that, you just simply need to enter your email address or mobile number which is connected to the account that you use for Netflix. Then after entering that, tap to continue button and it will send an email with a verification code in your mailbox. Simply check that and enter that verification code in here. And once you enter the verification code in here, you can very easily watch the contents on Netflix and enjoy it. So this is how you can very easily get started with the Netflix in your laptop. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.